people. This Arnold Outdoors. And we're going to harvest some potatoes, hopefully. So we just grew them in containers. Not sure what we're going to get. Not looking too promising.
Never is.
Yeah. Right, it's going to be a lot of little baby ones. But in these buckets, I just planted 4 little ones like that in each of these buckets, so not expecting to get a whole lot, but we're getting a few. Hey, we got some more over here. Got a few more. Pretty good. The ones I put in there were this big, and now they're this big. We'll see what we get. These are different ones. Just look around and see. Oh yeah. Not a lot. There's some. Let's do this little tiny one here. It actually had a potato ball thing on it right here. It starts to grow these things. You know that it's about ready to die. I don't know what that is. If the potato's a seed, I guess that's also a seed. I don't know. But literally for putting 8 potatoes, I put 2 per each pot, 2 or 3 per each pot. And these were just store-bought ones I got from wherever, Safeway, I don't know. But it kind of grew into more. First time I've ever grown potatoes in pots though, so I guess I could have done worse.
So, sorry we didn't do much this week in terms of videos, but the whole state's on fire still, and we've had family that's needed to be evacuated and stuff, so it's been kind of hectic and crazy, and we still wanted to throw something together for you, but within the next coming weeks, hopefully after all this smoke clears out, we'll get up fishing, go camping again. Maybe we'll have to go on the Coast Range now. That's cool. I haven't been there since last year.
It hasn't been on fire as bad, I guess.
There's only one fire, and it's pretty small, way down to the south. So, but the whole Cascade Range is just crispy fried. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.